Alright YouTube, we just got the valve cover off this new engine and taking a look at it. It's actually very clean, and there's no marks or anything. Like, the inside of this engine so far looks like it's in really good condition. So we'll go ahead and continue getting it apart, taking all the studs out, and go from there. Back to the time lapse. Finally got the heads and stuff off, so let's take a look. We see in this engine lots of carbon buildup, so we'll definitely have to clean that up. Yeah, there is a lot of carbon in this engine, but nothing we can't clean up though.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man.
Okay, so we have got the head completely apart. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see in this, but let's take it over to the light. Alright, so if you can see in there, I'm not sure if you'll be able to. The intake side of the valves are very clean. And then we got the exhaust side, and they are crusty, full of carbon. However, that doesn't matter. The valves and everything look good. So we're gonna go ahead and disassemble this head, get everything labeled, and start porting and polishing this head. So let's hit the time lapse.